It is our social science class. Chapter 2, The Earth Our Home, Part 1. In this chapter we will learn about the Earth. Let's go through a short video explaining all about Earth Our Home chapter through animation.
The Earth our home. The Earth is home to all living things. It is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. About 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. 1/4 of it is covered by land. It has the right temperature needed by all living things to live. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan and his crew started from Spain on a long sea journey. They kept sailing in one direction. After nearly 3 years, they reached the same place from where they had started. This proved that the Earth is round like a ball. We cannot see the entire Earth at a time. Therefore, we have to make a model to study it. This model is called a globe. A globe is very useful to study the different places on Earth. However, it is not possible to show all the places on a small globe. A map is a drawing of the Earth or a part of it. Maps can be big or small. A book of maps is called an atlas. In early times, sailors used a compass to find their way while sailing. A compass looks like a watch. It has a needle which always points to the north. Very large bodies of water are called oceans. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic or Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Large areas of land are called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. If we stand on top of a high building, we can see the sky and the land or the sea meeting at a distance. The place where they appear to meet is called the horizon. The place where the land and the sea meet is called the coast.
In this video we learn about the Earth. Earth is a planet. You know there are 8 planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There are 8 planets in our solar system and these 8 planets move around the Sun. We live on Earth. Earth is also a planet. You have to repeat these 8 planets name after me. Okay? Mercury. Repeat it after me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. This is Earth. We live on Earth and it is also called a blue planet. Then Jupiter is a bigger planet. Look at here. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Which planet is the closest to the Sun? Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. You have to write here Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury. Then which planet lies between Earth and Jupiter? Which planet lies between Earth and Jupiter? Earth and Jupiter. the Mars. Mars lies between the Earth and Jupiter. You have to write here Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars. Then, which is the furthest planet from the Sun? Which is the furthest planet to the Sun? Neptune. Neptune is the furthest planet to the Sun. You have to write here N-E-P-T-U-N-E, Neptune. The Earth is home to all living things. Earth is home to all living things. This is because it is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a layer of air without which we can't live. Atmosphere यानी कि एक एयर की इस तरह की लेयर है जिसके बगैर हम जिंदा नहीं रह सकते हैं. About 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. 3/4 जो अर्थ का हिस्सा है वो पानी से कवर्ड है. Then 1/4 of it is covered by land. सिर्फ 1/4 लैंड जो है 1/4 जो अर्थ है वो लैंड से कवर्ड है. It has the right temperature needed by all living things to live. अर्थ पर जो टेम्परेचर है वो ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए राइट टेम्परेचर है जो कि लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए जरूरी होता है. शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. For a very long time, people thought that the earth was flat and had edges. बहुत समय पहले सब ऐसे इस तरह से सोचते थे जैसे कि अर्थ जो है वो फ्लैट है और उसे एजेस है, कोने हैं. But about 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan and his crew started from Spain on a long sea journey. They kept sailing in one direction. 500 ईयर पहले फर्डिनेंड मैगेलन जो है उन्होंने एक जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी जो कि एक ही डायरेक्शन में उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. तो उसके बाद आफ्टर नियरली 3 years they reached the same place from where they had started. उन्होंने सेलिंग करने के लिए जहां से स्टार्ट किया था वहीं पर वो 3 साल के बाद सेम जगह पर आकर पहुंच गए. This proves that the earth is round like a ball. इससे ये साबित होता है कि अर्थ जो है वो एक बॉल की तरह राउंड शेप में है. In fact, the earth is round like an orange. बॉल की तरह बोलने से ज़्यादा बेटर है कि अर्थ जो है वो एक ऑरेंज शेप में है. ऑरेंज जिस तरह से होता है उसकी शेप में होता है जो कि स्लाइटली फ्लैट एट द टॉप एंड द बॉटम. अर्थ जो है स्लाइटली फ्लैट एट द टॉप एंड द बॉटम. द अर्थ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ब्लू प्लैनेट. अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि जब हम स्पेस से अर्थ को देखेंगे तो उस समय हमें अर्थ ब्लू कलर का दिखाई देता है क्योंकि 3/4 ऑफ अर्थ इज कवर्ड बाय वाटर.